Jodapris Christian University Online Enrollment Guide, Full Walkthrough. Welcome to Jodapris Christian University. If you're ready to take your next step in education and faith, this video will guide you through our simple, 3-step online enrollment process. Whether you're new to JCU, transferring, or returning, we've made it easy to get started from anywhere in the world. Step 1. Apply now. The first step is to submit your application. Start by choosing your application status. Are you a new student, a transfer student, or a returning student? Then, select the program area that aligns with your goals, business, theology, or language. Next, pick your desired level of study, certification program, associate degree, bachelor's, master's, or PhD. After that, complete your personal information. This includes your full name, title, gender, marital status, date of birth, email, and phone number. Accuracy is key here, as this information will be used for all official communication. Then, enter your address details, including street address, city, state or province, postal code, and country of residence. Afterward, provide your educational history, high school completion, your highest level of education, the institutions attended, degrees earned, and dates of study. Transfer and returning students should make sure to submit transcripts or prior qualifications. Before submitting, complete the JCU survey so we know how you found us. Review and accept the privacy policy and terms and conditions. Once you submit, your application moves on to Step 2. Documents. Step 2 is where JCU verifies your information and ensures everything is ready for your enrollment. Start by entering your full name exactly as on your official documents, and provide a valid email address for communication. Next, upload one official ID, your passport, driver's license, or national ID works perfectly. Then, upload your academic certificates, including high school diplomas or previous degrees. Make sure your documents are clear and readable. You'll also write a short biography of up to 500 words, explaining who you are, your background, and why you wanted to join JCU. This can be typed directly or uploaded as a file. Finally, upload 2 reference letters, ideally from academic, professional, or community leaders who can vouch for you. Review the privacy policy and terms, and confirm your agreement. Once submitted, the admissions team will review everything and contact you if any further information is needed. Step 3. Payment. The final step is payment. Here, you'll provide your account information, your name, email, and phone number. Then, select the reason for your payment, which is application fees. Enter the correct amount of $75 and double-check it. Choose your preferred payment method. JCU uses secure and trusted payment systems to protect your information. After reviewing all details, submit your payment. Once the transaction is successful, you'll receive a confirmation email with your receipt and instructions for the next steps. Congratulations! By completing Step 3, you've officially secured your place at Jodapris Christian University. You are now part of a community where knowledge, faith, and purpose come together. Thank you for choosing JCU. Apply today, and start your academic journey with us.